Right, and number 10 says, find the coordinates of the endpoints of the latus rectum, okay, of the parabola x squared equals minus 8y. Okay, what is the length? So first we've got to find the coordinates of the latus rectum and also the length. All right, now this is a parabola which is concave down. Always draw a nice, quick sketch. That helps a lot. Okay, and we go through 0, 0. Okay, and this is its equation, right? Now we know that the latus rectum, to find its length, we can actually find its length straight away, because you know that the length of the latus rectum is equal to 4a units. Okay, that was given to you in the notes. So in this case, it'll be 4 times. Now, what is the focal length? Well, minus 8 is equal to, let's work it out here, minus 8 equals minus 4a, so a is equal to 2. That's your focal length. You can use that here, and so it's 8 units. That's the length of the latus rectum. So we've answered that part of the question. The first part of the question said find the coordinates of the endpoints of the latus rectum. Now, that means that the latus rectum is going through 0, minus 2, because if the focal length is 2, right, this is parabola, then 0 minus 2 is where the latus rectum will go through, right, and it goes straight across. It's actually the focal chord that's parallel to the x-axis. That's what the latus rectum is in this case, okay? So, what's the equation of this line? Well, the equation of the latus rectum is, and I'll just write that down, equation of latus rectum is y equals minus 2, all right? Now, they want to know what the coordinates are of these 2 points. Well, this line, okay, crosses this parabola at these 2 points, and the way to find those 2 points is to solve those two simultaneously. We're going to solve simultaneously, okay, x squared equals minus 8y, and then y equals minus 2. Very simple one to do, because all we do is sub 2 into 1, all right, minus 2 is the y, so we go x squared equals minus 8 times minus 2, x squared is equal to 16. What is x equal to? Plus or minus 4. We've got the x values of those endpoints already. Let's find the y value. Well, y values, we don't need to find. Actually, we have found it. What is the y value for both? Minus 2. So, therefore, endpoints are minus 4, 2 and 4, 2. Okay? And that's question 10.